How to change currency in Valorant store. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Your Valorant currency depends upon the region that you are playing from. Yes, however you are relocating or traveling, your store might display prices according to your local currency. However, frequently changing of the region is not supported by Riot Games. So you can use a VPN to change the currency, however, it is not a solution for it. In the case of gift card, if you have a Valorant gift card purchased in a specific currency, the Valorant product you receive will be based on the currency's conversion rate, which means that it will be in your standard currency, that is the dollar. So, regardless of your use of VPN or trying to use or change the reason, you won't be able to change currency in your Valorant store for now. We can hope for an update pretty soon. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.